One Nigerian man don't come outside they cry after some group of people go assault this one. Now make na ask say, what to make they attack this guy? Or now all this kind of men will be say they go they behave like say they be woman. There they be man, there they person you even know. They go just say they behave like this guy. Come go rotating ways, go past where you no supposed pass. Before we go see then this group of boys go attack him. Before we go see him mouth don't begin start to come up blood. My people beg. Make na follow me watch.
Guys, see, someone just attacked me. I didn't do him anything for no reason, just on my own. I don't know this guy from anywhere. He's attacking me. Look, see my face. Look what he did to me. Just because of what did I do to him? What is he said? Attack me for no just reason. For no just reason. It's alright. See my face. I'm bleeding.
Chai, if no be say person even tell me say this one a man, I for that even believe will just be say I dey hear this guy they talk. Because how person could they talk like say this one a woman like this? And this one I don't even know what they talk now. This one where bros now come and say, what do you want make we do for you? Because now in they cry, they talk say so now. They're not going to come outside freely, they walk out. Say them will be like man or woman, I don't know which position I will put them put. Say them will be like this now. So it means a crime for them to come outside to they walk out. Say it means it not even they comfortable for them to stay in Nigeria. See as it be their life don't they in danger. Say people now don't they carry their matter for her and it's be they won't kill this guy. Say make Nigerians come out to aid my Nigerian people. We they call on making her enter this boy matter. Come sit on me. Because now him they claim say no be him create himself. Say now God create him. So why be say people come they condemn say what make can they do like man, what make can they do like woman? Say now God make them like this. And say this actions when Nigerians they do it they show and say in fact they really hurt them. Say in fact the people they molest them. Me, I don't even ask, I want to judge this matter. Because if you reason, some people, now like this, they born them. They're not big girl, but they behave like say they be man now. But I beg. Make I look this picture away. This one, in fact, 100% assurance. They say this guy go be gay. But now, he don't they claim, say, him be senator, I don't know which English I go be. Saying they emanate up and down before then these people come meet up. Saying no be gay. It just be saying get the opportunity to behave like man, I been a woman. Now what make her come be like this? But bros, I go need to beg you. If you know say they for community, we be say you know say area boys they get. And these people know they pleased with us. I beg dress like boy. Now we say go they misbehave. And I know say all these people they don't even like to they see all this kind of gay things. And you know say in Africa we did. In fact, Nigeria to be precise. Our law not even they favor anybody. So as you know, like that, you dress corporate, come outside. Now I'm saying go wear bomb shorts, wear crop top. As a man, you can't expect saying they're going to treat you normal. You know normal now. So I beg next time if you won't come out, just dress well. Because this matter, if you say you won't even carry and go police station, police will even arrest you. Because they're going to reason say wait, you be gay. So the person, if you know so you don't want any for her, let this matter die. Or you dress properly, next time we won't come outside. My people where they want, I be waiting on ourselves feel about this matter. Anything I feel, make a write and put inside the comment section. Make no forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. I will see you on.